Hey, it's Jade, and today I'll be talking about tech and ethics and my thoughts around bridging the gap between innovation and responsibility. I know there's a lot of fear around technology, particularly where AI is leading us. Even I haven't felt completely sure about my advocacy for technology lately. Then I kept reminding myself that technology is like money. In the hands of caring, connected people, it can be used to make a genuine difference. I truly believe it's here to support us, to help us create a better world, to envision a freer, more beautiful world for all. Just yesterday, I used ChatGPT to paint a world where humanity has achieved collective liberation and is living together in harmony. And I've seen many others create similar scenes. So if enough of us are focusing our attention in this manner, imagine what's possible. I also spoke to ChatGPT about my concerns. This is the question I posed. I've recently been questioning my role in using technology and the harm it causes to our environment and those in less fortunate countries that are being harmed in the name of getting resources. My brand is about technology, so obviously there's parts of me that really appreciate and value what technology can do for us. But then there's all the moral parts of me that don't want to contribute to this ongoing gap between cultures. How can I still show up for my brand, be in integrity with my values, and see technology as being a contribution to the future while advocating for more sustainable ways to use it? And this was ChatGPT's response. Balancing appreciation for technology with ethical concerns is possible. It also went a step further to give some steps to align my brand with my values while still leveraging technology. I loved them, so thought it was worth sharing for anyone else who has been having similar thoughts. 1. Educate yourself. Start by gaining a deep understanding of the environmental and ethical issues related to technology. The more informed you are, the better you can make responsible choices. 2. Set clear values. Define your brand's ethical and environmental values explicitly. What are your non-negotiable principles? Having a clear value system will guide your decision-making. 3. Transparency. Be transparent with your audience about your values and your commitment to responsible technology use. Share your journey, challenges, and the steps you're taking to align your brand with your values. 4. Advocate for change. Use your platform to advocate for responsible technology practices within the industry. Highlight and support initiatives and organizations that promote these values. 5. Sustainable sourcing. Explore options for sustainable sourcing of tech-related products and services. Look for suppliers and partners who prioritize ethical and environmentally friendly practices. Consider using refurbished or recycled tech products. 6. Offset your impact. Consider implementing initiatives to offset the environmental impact of your brand's tech-related activities. Support reforestation projects, invest in renewable energy, or calculate and offset your carbon footprint. 7. Innovate responsibly. If your brand involves developing or promoting new technology, prioritize responsible innovation. 8. Collaborate. Collaborate with like-minded individuals and organizations that share your values. Partnering with others can amplify your impact and promote responsible tech practices collectively. 9. Consumer education. Educate your audience about responsible tech usage and the impact of their choices. Empower them to make informed decisions and support ethical tech brands. 10. Continuous improvement. Understand that it may take time to fully align your brand with your values. Be open to feedback, adapt, and continuously seek ways to reduce your brand's negative impact on the environment and society. Remember that it's possible to appreciate the benefits of technology while advocating for responsible usage and ethical practices. A commitment to aligning your brand with your values can set a positive example for both your industry and your audience. This gave me a lot of food for thought. A lot of these things I'm already doing, but there's always room for continuous improvement. As technology continues to advance, it will become even more important for me to keep checking in with my values, to not lose myself in technology, which I can see myself tending to do, if I'm not staying connected to nature and community. So, I wholeheartedly believe we can do a lot of good with technology. It all comes down to intention and reflects the importance of humans reconnecting to rites of passage, nature, spirituality, and animism. The more connected we feel to land, story, and myth, the more likely we will be to ensure our technology use supports us to keep promoting these values. Thanks for joining me. I'd love to know, what are your thoughts on this? How have you been approaching your technology use? And as always, if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more content, and leave your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks.